Event triggers initiate actions such as inserting malfunctions or using expert commands based on programmed conditions of a model parameter. For example, an event trigger may initiate a pipe break malfunction when model pressure exceeds a defined threshold. To create an event trigger, click Event Triggers on the control panel. Sample event triggers are provided with the demo load. These are useful as a reference for valid syntax or as a template that can be copied when making future event triggers. To create a new event trigger, click Create from the Event Trigger window. After entering a text or numerical name, add a description and enter an expression consisting of an object, parameter, and value in the conditions field using the equations keyboard. To avoid syntax errors, it can be useful to find the object name and parameter directly from the model page. Open the object table and select the desired parameter. Then right-click and select Copy Variable Name. The equations keyboard offers a selection of comparison and logical operators for defining a condition. Clicking the desired button appends it to the text in the input field. Note that inserted operators are written as C++ operators rather than as their button labels. Once the conditional statement has been set, save the contents of the equation keyboard with OK. Next, enter a server command under Linked Commands, which will activate when the conditional statement in the event trigger is met. This field uses the same commands as the expert command dialog, which is accessed by pressing Enter or by typing from the main window. Locate the desired command from the drop-down list and copy it to the Linked Commands field. Once conditions and commands are set, save the event trigger using either Save As, which saves and closes the dialog, or Activate, which saves and runs the event trigger. Pending event triggers display in the Event Triggers pane of the status bar until their conditions are met and their commands are activated. The user can click the pane to open the Event Trigger Summary list. From here, the user can open and view Event Trigger contents, deactivate the current event trigger and close the dialog, or force activate expert commands in the event trigger, regardless of whether or not their conditions were met. The event trigger will remain active until the condition is met. Once the condition is met, the linked command will execute, and the event trigger will complete. Event triggers can be created from the malfunction, remote function, or the external parameter dialogs, in addition to the component malfunction dialog. Open a component malfunction window and select Create Event Trigger to auto-populate the condition field in a new event trigger. The same option is available in malfunction, remote function, and external parameter windows.